Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will review another club, that is FLL Club Valor in USA. We will check out why this club was created, what are their products or what are their activities. So let's begin with the video. Like, people from United States are very curious about to know the details of FL Club. So this is a club, the four members Valorant Club and Auckland Lottery Club. This have many members who are the part of this club, and it gained popularity across the United States as they won the largest amount from Mega Million history ever in the US history. This club made to give maximum benefit to the people and let them have an extra source of income or saving. This money won by the member of this club will benefit the generation of the members of this club. They believe in doing charities and pass on money on to the people and help them with some of food and any required thing. The club leader actually purchased a lottery ticket to this prize to help members of this club, and on this Friday the Mega Million officially announced the winners of the biggest jackpot ever sponsored by them, worth $1.5 million, and the winner will receive $557 million after cutting all the tax. Moreover, the official from Mega Million were declared the result of this lottery in January. Due to all lockdown and corona pandemic, the result got late by 6 months, and the final names of these four peoples are still to be announced by the official of Mega Million. Soon they will be provided the identity those who have won the biggest ever lottery prize won by someone. So recently this Friday they have announced the result and talk about the winner. Four people split this lottery amount among them. FLL Club Valorine wins the amount, and this club has also expressed their feeling and votes on winning the lottery prize to benefit the members and upcoming generation to club members and how they will use the money for charity. So we have seen all the information and analyze about FLL Club, its honor, and the lottery and jackpot won by the club members. The club has a reputed place in the world. They have been doing different efforts to get maximum profit and benefit to the members of the club. And if you want to share your thoughts about this club, do write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.